So if you are planning to pursue food technology from Amity University Noida, this video will give you a complete clarity, admission process, campus life and placements in just 2 minutes. Amity University is located in sector 125 Noida, Uttar Pradesh, very close to Delhi NCR. It has one of the largest private university campuses in India with modern infrastructure. Amity offers BTech in Food Technology, BSc Food Science and Technology, MTech in Food Technology, MSc Food Science. The course focuses on food processing, food safety, quality control, packaging product development and research. For BTech Food Technology, admission is mainly based on JEE main score or Amity own entrance process or direct admission based on class 12 marks depending on eligibility criteria. For PG program, admission is usually based on graduation, marks, entrance test and sometimes interview. Since it's a private university, the admission process is comparatively easier than government colleges. Campus life at Amity is very vibrant and modern. You get high-tech labs, air-conditioned classrooms, hostel facilities, sports complex, international exposure, seminars, fest, and strong extracurricular activities. It has a more corporate style environment compared to traditional universities. Talking about placement, students from food technology get opportunities in food processing industries, FMCG companies, quality control departments, packaging and R&D roles. Placement depends a lot on your skills and internships, but Amity provides placement support and industry connection. So if you are looking for modern infrastructure, flexible admission process and private university exposure in food technology, Amity University Noida can be the good option.